Hi English learners, English teacher KBob here. I hope you're having a good day. This lesson is learn how to introduce yourself in English, subject and object pronouns lesson. What is the date today? Well, here in California on this particular day as I make this video, it is Saturday, August 30th, 2025. You say it. Today is Saturday, August 30th, 2025. Okay? You can do it. What is the weather where you are today? Well, here in California on Saturday, August 30th, 2025, it's very warm and sunny. We say today the weather is sunny and warm. Maybe where you are, that's not the case, but that's what it is here in California. You say, what's the weather where you are? Is today raining? Is it sunny? Is it warm? Is it cold? You say it. Today, the weather is... Very good. So what will you learn in this lesson today? Well, I just made my introduction and how to say the weather and how to talk about the date. We're going to also learn about the difference between subject and object pronouns. We're going to practice making some introductions. You will practice. I already know how to do it. And I'm going to help you improve your listening with dictation and a song. And then we'll test your knowledge with a quiz. So I'll talk about how and where you can get more practice, and then I'll make my final thoughts and conclude the video. Okay, ready? So let's start with talking about pronouns. Do you know what a pronoun is? Do you know what a noun is? Well, you need to know what a noun is and a pronoun if you're going to ever know what the difference is between a subject pronoun and an object pronoun. Let's talk about nouns. Nouns are people, places, and things. I'm a noun, you're a noun. Where you live, the city, the country, wherever you are is a noun. And a thing, well, I'm drinking water right now. This is a thing, this is a noun. People, places, and things, those are nouns. What's a pronoun? A pronoun takes the place of a noun. And let's talk about the different kinds of pronouns. So a subject pronoun is who or what is doing or being something in a sentence. Right now, I am teaching you English. The subject pronoun is I. The object pronoun is you. The object pronoun is the pronoun that is receiving the action. I am teaching you. So that's the difference between a subject pronoun and an object pronoun. Now there are others. There are several others. For subject pronouns, it's I, you, we, they, it, he, and she. So when you're speaking about yourself, it's I. When you're talking to somebody else, whether it's one person or several people, it's you. If you're talking about yourself and somebody else, either one or more people, that's we. And if you're talking about other people that does not include you, that's they. And if you're talking about a male, a man, a boy, it's he. And if you're talking about a woman, a girl, a female, it's she. And if you're talking about a thing, it could be your water, your car, anything that's not a human or a place. If you're talking about a thing or a place, the pronoun is it. Okay, so as I told you, the subject pronoun is who or what is doing something in the sentence. The object the object pronoun is receiving the action in a sentence. Here are the object pronouns: me, you, him for a man or a boy or any male, her for a woman, a girl, or any female, and us for a group of people that includes you and me. That's us. And then there's them. Other people or other things, or actually any noun, people, places, or thing, and it does not include you or me, it's them. So how do you make an introduction in English? Well, let's learn. I'll show you how I make an introduction in English. So if I don't know somebody, if I've never met them, I say, "Hi, my name is Bob. What's your name?" And then you can shake hands. And then I would say, "I'm from the United States. I live in California. Where are you from?" And then you listen to what they say. So you practice. You say to me, "Hi, my name is," and you say your name. And then you say, "What's your name?" You ask me what my name is. And I say, "I'm Bob." And you reach out your hand to shake, and we shake hands, and we both say, "It's nice to meet you." Let's try that one more time. You say, "Hi, my name is," "What's your name?" And I say, "My name is Bob." And we shake hands, and we both say, "It's nice to meet you." You can do it. I'm going to talk about some ways that you can improve your English by listening, and that is using dictation. And dictation is where you listen to what someone says and you write what you think they say on a piece of paper or on a computer, whatever works for you. The other way is to listen to music. Music has a certain rhythm to it, and it's a great way to help learn English, is listening to songs. So right now, I'm going to read you 3 sentences. I'll say each sentence slowly 3 times, and I want you to write what you hear me say. Okay? So first one, I see him. Again, I see him. One more time. I see him. Next one. He talks to her now. He talks to her now. He talks to her now. One more. This one's longer. We will introduce you to our friends. We will introduce you to our friends. We will introduce you to our friends. All right? So write those down on a piece of paper. You can email them to me or put them in the comments below this video, and I will respond. And if you didn't get it right, I will make corrections for you. Okay. Let's see how much you've been listening. how much you understand. This is almost like dictation, but I'm going to give you a little quiz to see if you understand about pronouns. I'm going to ask you 6 questions. And again, you can write your answers in the comments below this, or you can send me an email by signing up for my email list, and I will respond. So here's the first question. The word she is a subject pronoun. Is that true or false? Number 2, the word them is a subject pronoun. Is that true or is that false? Number 3, in the sentence, I like him, the word him is an object pronoun. Is that true or false? And in the sentence, they are my friends, the word they is an object pronoun. Is that true or is that false? All right, number 5. Choose the correct subject pronoun. I'm going to give you 4. Him, they, her, and them. Which one's the subject pronoun? Is it him, they, her, or them? Which is the correct object pronoun? 4 more. We, I, us, and she. Which one's the correct object pronoun? We, I, us, and she. All right? I know you can do it. Where can you get more practice like this? How can you get more practice like this? Well, there are 2 ways. The first is my website, EnglishTeacherKBob.com. You might be on that now. There are lots and lots of lessons and articles there designed specifically for adult ESL students, particularly beginner and intermediate students. Okay? The other is tpt.com. Now, the links to both places are below this video, and all you got to do is click it, and there you go. So, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I hope you give me a thumbs up in the below the video, and I hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. As I said, I always respond, and I will respond to your comments or your questions. And with that, that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you have a good day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.